This was the before. A barren balcony. But I had a dream, a budget, and $400 later, with a supporting cast, we enter the wicker era. This 5-piece wicker patio sectional comes in 2 boxes on 2 different days. So if you think you got scammed after 1 box, you didn't. Also, pro tip, toss away that throwaway wrench. Use a 10mm wrench instead, or abandon all hope. But I will give them credit. They included clips to stop the drift, ties to stop the flop, and Velcro to keep cushions from ghosting you mid-sit. And now we've got space for 5, wine for 2, and enough surface area to finally stop balancing plates on our knees. And now, my final 3 verdict. Pros: solid build, washable colors, modular layout. Cons: back cushions are short. That's it. I actually really like this one. Rating: 8.9 out of 10. Budget buy, big lounge energy. P.S. If you're wanting the complete look for the supporting cast, you'll find the patio deck tiles, outdoor rug, storage table, balcony foldable table, Govee door light, candle lights, and the checkered outdoor pillows. All tagged down below.